One question. Girls all around the world keep asking me the same question. They all want to know. They all want to know. And my cousin Arnie's the one that put this across. They all want to know what's causing all this. The name is Ric Flair. In this case, Slick Rick, the world's heavyweight wrestling champion. Now, as I've said 1,000 times before, we're not talking about rock and roll music. We're not talking about Hollywood, California. We're talking about the greatest sport of them all, professional wrestling, and I'm the man. Whether you like it or not, you ask around. You ask around anywhere. When you get Ric Flair riled up, you better be a hell of a man. You're talking to the Rolex wearing, diamond ring wearing, kiss stealing, wheeling dealing, limousine riding, jet flying, son of a gun, and I'm having a hard time holding these alligators down. There's only one. Read it, brother. I believe that says custom styled for the world champion by Michaels of Kansas City. I got my Learjet sitting right out there at Creek City Cab. In just about 20 minutes, I'm going to ease down the steps, Ted Turner by my side, get my limousine, ride on 85, get my Learjet, and take off to New Orleans. You got it, New Orleans. If you're watching right now, I'm 42,000 feet, easing on in. Because in several hours, I'm gonna walk that aisle. Look at his old leader, nature boy can look. Oh, so fine. I'm not even gonna tell you it's gonna be Janie on my left and Mary on my right, but I'm not telling any of you which one of my robes I'm wearing with a tear in my eye. This is the greatest moment in my life. When you walk around this world and you tell everybody you're number one, the only way you get to stay number one is to be number one. You know, girls, why don't you give it to them one more time? That's who's standing here today. The world heavyweight champion. And honey, I'm not gonna take you home no matter what you say to me.